Hi, my name is Gracie Wong, and I'm a third-year Ph.D. student in the Earth System Science Department at UC Irvine. My research focuses on anthropogenic air pollution, so accurate quantifications of these emissions are very important for scientists to model interactions between atmospheric compounds and also for policymakers to make effective mitigation strategies. Emissions are largely quantified using bottom-up techniques and compiled into national emission inventories. So these are usually done by bottom-up techniques, and they use statistical data on activity levels, production levels, and emission factors to quantify these emissions. On the other hand, a top-down approach uses atmospheric measurements and knowledge of atmospheric transport to quantify the emissions. So my research explores using a top-down approach to independently validate these bottom-up numbers. What this looks like is I collect real-time aircraft measurements of air pollutants around industrial facilities in South Korea. I then use the data collected on the airplane to determine the emissions coming from each facility. I grew up in Southern California, where the air that we breathe wasn't always the greatest, so I wanted to contribute to making sure that the air me and my community breathe could be improved. And so after joining the Earth System Science program, I realized that I can contribute by quantifying these emissions and seeing how they impact policies to come up with strategies to improve our air. I was part of a 3-year-long field campaign that started in 2019, and so there's a field campaign for every season in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. And so we were able to see emission changes throughout each season and throughout the years. I was in the field for about 2 times each year for about 1 to 3 months each time, and it was really cool because we could see how these trends changed as a result of mitigation strategies that were enacted. And also it was even more special because the campaign continued throughout 2020, so we could have seen how the emissions changed as a result of the pandemic. Understanding the impact of anthropogenic emissions is important to coming up with solutions to not only protect our health, but also understand how to slow the warming of our planet.